Hello, so we are back, and this time we have a customer job. The customer sent this board, it's a Lenovo board, for power button not working. You know, what can be more simple than a power button? Let's check here. Power button, where is the power button? Here. Just to understand how small is the power button, so we have to fix this, yeah? Now first, let's test it to be sure it's faulty. Plug in the charger. We have the charging light here. We have the power on light here. Let's go under the microscope and check the voltage when we are pressing the power button, because that's how we are checking the power button. Okay, so we have the power button in the picture. Now let's connect one probe to ground, and one probe we have to find the 3.3. So here is no 3.3. And here it is. You can see 3 volts. It's not 3.3, it's 3 volts. So having 3 volts on the power button and pressing the power button, and no. Sometimes working, sometimes not. Check here. So I'm pressing, I'm pushing. Let me get something else. So the voltage has to go to 0. Sometimes it is going to 0. Yeah. Now it's not going to 0 anymore. Check the middle part is moving, which make me believe actually we have some soldering issue here, right? I mean, why this part is moving? Because here are the contacts. Now, if we are checking the motherboard, I mean, this really looks soldered. So where these can have cracked solders? You can clearly see the pins are soldered on place. This one, lol, check this one. This one is moving. This one it is soldered. Okay, so the problem is this one. This make our job a lot easier. Let's use a little bit of flux. Let's try to solder that pin. Let's solder even the second one. Because the second pin is a ground pin, we can help the solder iron with the hot air. Around 320 degrees Celsius. The button it will not get melt, but you can do pretty nice soldering. So what about now? Let me plug the charger. So the charger it is plugged in. Now let's check the voltage. It's 3 volts nearly. Pushing the button going to 0. You can see. Check on the screen. Every time I push the button it's going to 0. Pushing the button going to 0. Pushing. 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 So I believe the problem was that pin which was not soldered. And you know what? When I started the video I didn't know that. I was, expecting to be a hard job because we have to remove the button, we have to strip down the button, which is covered in a metal case. Well, you know what? This turned out very, very simple. Yeah, it's working fine. Yeah, it's working every time, every time. Yeah, fantastic. If I knew it's about to do a solder, I will not start a video. But yeah, it's good to know, and it's good to check the solders before. I mean, I fixed like a power button a few days ago, and you have to open the button and clean inside. And I was expecting to be the same job, but it's not. It was just a solder. Okay, so see you on the next one. Bye.